Previously in this channel I unboxed the following items. If you see anything interesting, make sure you check out my channel and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos. Hello everyone, in this video I will be unboxing the Predator Accelerator Electricity Football Boot by Adidas. So sit back, relax, and while you're watching this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Originally released in 1999, the Accelerator Electricity was worn on the pitch by legends such as Zinedine Zidane and David Beckham. Revived for the modern game by the original creators, it is part of a limited collection by Adidas and there are only 1,999 pairs available worldwide. If you want a pair, well, unfortunately, all 1,999 pairs released sold out everywhere. They were listed within minutes. It is absolutely not surprising because these boots are very popular, and the fact that Adidas truly tried to replicate the original version made it even more special. Each pair comes in a black special edition box. To open the box, you will need to slide the inner tray out. Inside you will find a black netty boot bag that has a white Predator logo in the front and a white Adidas logo at the bottom right. The football boots itself is wrapped in a black paper, and you will also get an additional set of inserts. This modern Accelerator Electricity boot is based on the original one released in 1998. The Electricity yellow colorway was actually a limited edition back in the day. They are predominantly solar yellow with black 3 stripes and control elements, while the tongue is red. All of this sits on an all red Adidas Predator 18 sole plate. The Predator Accelerator Electricity has it all: the rare electric yellow colorway, iconic yellow full over tongue in red, 3 stripes overlapping the cleat in classic black, soft kangaroo leather upper, and the iconic Predator strike zone. Remember to hit the like, share and subscribe button if this video helped you. Make sure you drop a comment if you have any question, and feel free to check out and share my other videos.